We're not in the library. Make some noise, y'all.
All right, let's do this.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Cody, you may kiss your bride.
Been knowing Cody a long time, all the way back to what I guess Boy Scouts. And who was our tribe? Who was our tribe leaders? Our mother, do you remember? The Honey Badger and Tim, way back then. So, what were we? 8 or 9, I guess, something like that. Known you a long time, and honestly, you know, all the ball games, a lot of happiness. Late night Bible studies, you know, a lot of those. But I truly haven't seen you as happy as you are with Cayla. And Cayla, I haven't known you near as long, but hey, what, 4 or 5 years? 5 years now, I guess, so we're getting there. But hey, you're already like family to us, you know that.
In order to not cry my eyes out, I'm going to make this short and sweet. I love you both, but I love you both more together. I didn't think Cayla could get any better until I saw her with Cody.
At this time, I'll be reading a note that Cayla and Cody have written for each other. These are their words. I'm merely just the spokesperson for it. He knew Cayla was a keeper when she had a Christmas gift for him to go see the Steelers at Heinz Field, your first visit. Cody said that was one of the best trips ever. He also said that was the first trip during a Christmas where it was just them. And he knew at that point that this was right. He said within the first 5 minutes of meeting Cayla, she had already asked him, how many kids are we going to have in our future? 4? Cody said, this one's in for the long run.
Hi, Cody Casper.
Thank you, Cayla Miller.
Thank you, Cayla Miller.
Hi, Cayla Miller.
Thank you, Cody Casper.
Thank you, Cody Casper.
To be my wedded husband.
Be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded wife. To have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse.
For richer or poor, sickness and in health, to love, honor, and cherish as long as I live.
As long as I live. Good family.
Cayla says, today is a day that I never thought would happen. I never dreamed that I would find a person that completes me in every way. I get to be 100% of myself with you, she says. Thank you for always accepting me for who I am, flaws and all. You've helped me grow into a better person. You know just how to calm me when I get frustrated, and you're the best at making me smile and laugh. I know that we don't always agree on everything, but life would be boring if we did. Cody, it's a beautiful ring. It's crafted with very good attention to detail and a lot of care. May you share those same attributes with your wife. May you bless her as she blesses you. Cayla, you should wear this ring with honor and dignity. Wear it as a peace and understanding that your love for Cody has no end. Cayla, you've done as well. You've done well as well. So this is a very handsome ring for Cody. You know, it's unique unto itself, kind of like your relationship. May you share that unique quality in regards to this marriage. May it bless your life.